Under it there is white carniola Bela Krajina. Bela Krajina is known for its birches and the river Kolba. Now we are traveling to White Carniola, which is particularly marked by white landscape with white birches. A typical house in this area is an idyllic image of a wooden house built on a stone basement. The upper part is built from the wood, covered with straw, which has a roof and a long tufted balcony on the facade. Dolinska is a land of the wavy hills with vineyards. This is the land of Krka River and the Valley of Castles. The center of Dolinska is Novo Mesto, and my friends will introduce it in a couple of sentences.
Hi, we are now here at Candia's Bridge. This is iron bridge which was built in 1905. It connects old city square of Novo Mesto with Candia. Underneath us is river Krka. It's one of the longest rivers of Slovenia. In her there's a lot of freshwater fishes which attracts all the fishermen. We are now here at City Square, and this is City Hall. This is a historical building which was declared as cultural monument of national importance. One of the most important men in Slovenia was Leon Stokel. He won 3 Olympic gold medals for Slovenia. Now he is a big figure for all the sportsmen in Slovenia.
Hello, I'm Lucia, and here you can see the only castle in Slovenia situated on an island, Otočec Castle. This castle was first mentioned in 1252. Today it is a modern and luxury 5-star hotel where marriages are organized, where you can spend amazing holidays or even attend the well-known music festival Rock Otočec. Come on, let's go for a walk!
This area has many rivers, lakes, mountains, vineyards and beautiful valleys. A typical house in this area is covered with straw. a whole house is made from the wood, and inside the house there is so-called a black kitchen.
Here we are in the Mirna River Valley, which covers 300 square kilometers in the heart of Slovenia. This region is extremely diverse, but the most important thing is the open-air museum with over 300 different types of hayracks. Hayrack is an open freestanding building. It's usually made out of wood. There are two main types of hayracks, one-rod and two-rod, or also called toplar. It's typical for Slovenian rural areas. It's unique and special.
Important wine-making areas are in the Lower Carniola. There are a lot of vineyards. The most famous wine from this area is called Cviček. This is a typical wooden wine cellar in this wine region. People make it from wood only for keeping the wine in the cellars.